everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 25th to the 29th of September 2023 on Monday. The Mthembos do right by Mlungisi even in his death on Tuesday. MaMzobe learns that Mkhululi left her a beautiful gift that cements her stronghold on the church. MaMzobe and Manzimandes go head to head over Mlungisi's burial. Maphalala warns Busiso that his sins will follow him forever on Wednesday. While MaMzobe tried to get Mlungisi buried at the Gumedes, Difa and Maphalala are despondent about the fact that they were unable to read Mthembo's warning against Mlungisi. Nokubonga officially mourned her for her husband on this day. When challenged by the Mthembos, MaMzobe defies all odds to bury her son on her own terms on Friday. MaMzobe arrives at Mlungisi's funeral and everyone is tender hooks. Maphalala fears for anyone who ever mowed the church. Nobuntu persuades Busiso to attend Mlungisi's funeral. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.